In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS in Vercel. By the end, you will have your custom domain connected to your Vercel project. And you will understand the two ways to point your DNS so the domain shows your live site. First, open the Vercel dashboard and select the project you want to use. Head into the project settings, then find and open the domain section. This is where all domain configuration lives for that specific project. And it's also where Vercel will show you exactly what to add at your registrar if you are managing DNS yourself. Next, add your custom domain. Type it exactly as you want it to work. For example, example.com, then click Add. If you are using a subdomain, enter that full host, but for most cases the apex domain is what you will start with. After adding it, Vercel will display guidance right on the page for the DNS configuration. Now it's time to configure DNS records. You have two paths. The first option is to update your domain registrar's name servers to the ones Vercel provides. You will see a set of name servers listed in the Domains panel after you add the domain. Copy them carefully, paste them into the name server settings at your registrar, and save. This delegates DNS to Vercel, which is convenient if you want Vercel to manage all your records in one place. Keep in mind that name server changes can take some time to propagate globally. The second option is to keep DNS at your registrar and add records there. Create an A record for the root of the domain and a CNAME record for the host you want to point, using the exact targets Vercel shows you in the domains section. Be sure there are no conflicting or duplicate records, and watch out for typos or extra characters. If your registrar offers a proxy or CDN toggle, consider turning it off for the initial setup so Vercel can verify cleanly. A shorter TTL can help changes update faster. But it's not required. Give it a little time for DNS to propagate. Then return to the domains page and look for the status. Once everything is pointing correctly, the domain status will show as valid. At that point, visiting your domain in a browser should load your Vercel project. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a bit longer and refresh. Global DNS often takes a few minutes to catch up. That's it. Thanks for watching.